Hey guys, Mapletail here. Today I want to take a look at a warrior cat's theory that I absolutely adore. It's about Frostpaw of a starless clan, so spoiler warning for River if you haven't read it. Before I get into it, I have some fan art to show off. This adorable piece is by Florida Man. Thank you so much for drawing her. If you draw something you'd like me to see, feel free to tag me or DM me on any of the social media linked in the description. So Frostpaw. She's clearly got a close and special connection to StarClan, like many medicine cats do. But with her, something feels off, different. More akin to Shadowside or even Goosefeather than the rest. The theory goes that Frostpaw is a death prophet, a cat who can predict the deaths of those around her. And I think this is an absolutely fascinating idea, and something we haven't really seen. I first heard of this theory from this awesome piece of fan art by Peachy Keen Corbin. And once I started to think about it, it made so much sense. The first cat that Frostpaw has a vision about is her father, J-Claw, who died later that day. Another big one, of course, was her mother, Curlfeather. And I know the legitimacy of the feather she found as a sign is questionable, but her dream about old curled feathers at the moon pool was definitely a clear sign. One she may have misinterpreted. In hindsight, all those feathers scattered around called to mind what it would look like to find a dead bird. Frostpaw also speaks to StarClan about Reed Whisker, and while Leopard Star says that she must hurry to save him, that was clearly incorrect, as there was no way he was going to be found alive. Frostpaw also found a star-shaped leaf in her den, which again could have been a fake sign, but if it was real, it's possible that it's a sign for future deaths. Perhaps Leaf Star, or even anyone that tries to become RiverClan's leader, is doomed to have the same fate as Misty Star, Reed Whisker, and Curlfeather. The last little detail is the visions of supposed StarClan cats that Frostpaw receives, like after Misty Star's death. She says that it was Willowshine, but the image was so muddled that all she could see was whiskers and an eye color. That could be so many cats. And it feels ominously similar to Shadowsight's whole thing with Ashfur. Most medicine cats can't just reach StarClan like she does. It's a little odd for sure. This is all just from the first book. The possibilities of this idea being focused on in the arc are endless. Maybe Frostpaw figures out that she has this ability and is able to stop these strange deaths. Or maybe she's just doomed to suffer in a similar fashion to Cricket Star or Blue Star, and lose all the cats she loves one by one. On that depressing note, I think that's about it for me. Enjoy the rest of the drawing. Thanks for watching. I love this idea so much, and I really hope this theory turns out to be true. Let me know what you think about it. I'd love to hear. I certainly don't find it too far-fetched myself. We've had plenty of cats with special powers or abilities, especially medicine cats, and I'd love to see her join the ranks of Shadowsight, Jayfeather, Yellowfang, a Goosefeather, etc. Anyways, I'll see you next Thursday.